Welcome back to FinCrime Agent. In this third episode of our series on AML and financial crime compliance careers, we'll be exploring some of the most valuable regulatory compliance certifications that can help you excel in your profession. So let's jump right into today's video. Obtaining a regulatory compliance certification demonstrates your commitment to professional development and expertise in this field. It can help you stand out in a competitive job market, advance your career, and stay updated on the latest industry trends and best practices. Here are some of the most respected regulatory compliance certifications in the AML and financial crime compliance field. Certified Anti-Money Laundering Specialist. As we mentioned in the previous episode, CAMS is a prestigious certification offered by the Association of Certified Anti-Money Laundering Specialists, which is also known as ACAMS. International Compliance Association, the ICA certificates and diplomas. ICA qualifications covers a range of topics related to anti-money laundering, financial crime prevention, and regulatory compliance. Then AGRC certification. The Association of Governance, Risks and Compliance AGRC offers comprehensive courses and certification in governance, risk management and compliance, equipping professionals with the knowledge and skills that is required to excel in their roles. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe to FinCrime Agent for the latest insight on the financial crime compliance and anti-money laundering space. Also remember that you can support my FinCrime Agent project on Patreon by going to patreon.com/fcagent, or feel free to even send a super thanks directly from this YouTube video. When selecting a regulatory compliance certification, consider factors such as your career goals, the certification's relevance to your current or desired role, or the recognition and credibility that it offers in the industry. You may also want to research the cost, of course, study requirements, and exams format to ensure it's aligning with your needs and preferences. In addition to obtaining a regulatory compliance certification, don't underestimate the power of networking and professional development. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and local meetups to connect with like-minded professionals, share knowledge, and learn about job opportunities. So investing in a regulatory compliance certification can provide a significant boost to your AML and financial crime compliance career. In the next episode of this series, we'll discuss strategies for landing your dream job in the compliance space. So don't forget to subscribe to FinCrime Agent and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And thanks for watching. Until next time, see you soon.